us stays pretty quiet, but we do see a lot of change when it comes to temperatures, primarily Wednesday and beyond. Sub-zero wind chills around the corner, and we see temperatures staying below 20 degrees for the second half of this week. So we get hit with some pretty bitter air starting about the middle of this week and possibly lasting well into the end of the week, if not beyond. So here's the setup. Right now we're hovering right around freezing, and we get a bit of a warm-up, if anything, tomorrow. We're in the warm sector of the weather system that's coming through that'll eventually bring in this Arctic air. But at least going into Tuesday, we see temperatures on the rise, even some spots in the Midwest jumping up into the 50s. Here comes that harsh air, though, as we head into Wednesday. So 24 hours after that, we're down into the teens at the warmest when we go into Wednesday afternoon, and then Wednesday night maybe just above zero, and you can see around the Midwest some spots down into the 20s below zero, and that's just the air temperature. That's not considering the wind chill that we'll have going into Thursday morning. So extra harsh conditions just around the corner for us. Now leading up to that point, like I mentioned, there is a warm up on the way. We're sitting in the middle to upper 20s right now, which is fairly close to average for this time of year. Later tonight, dipping down into the teens under mainly cloudy conditions. Winds go calm, and they do switch directions, so we don't see much for wind chill, and eventually that southerly wind takes over and that blows in the warmer air for tomorrow. So most spots get a little closer to 40 degrees under a mainly cloudy sky with some breezy winds gusting at times up to 25 miles per hour. It's after that, though, that we see the steep drop-offs. We'll have wind chills in the 20s going into Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. We go into tomorrow night. You can see that we're down into the single digits below zero as we head into early Wednesday morning, and we'll stay there throughout the second half of the week. In fact, the wind chills are harsher by Wednesday afternoon compared to where they are Wednesday morning, so right around -10. And in fact, by the time it gets to Wednesday night, down to about -15, -20. So we're getting close to frostbite danger territory into Wednesday night. Thursday, not much warmer, anywhere between -3 to -10 at night. We get a little warmer on Friday, but still looking at some pretty harsh air at times with just above zero wind chill values. We have warmer weather this weekend, but may not be above freezing for a long while. And that's when our next chance for some snow showers are. Right now, just a slight chance for Saturday and sometime between Sunday evening and Monday. We're close to average on the month, but about 6 inches below average on the season when it comes to snowfall. So as you look ahead in the forecast, again, quiet and cold through the work week, and then we jump into the 20s for the weekend with just that slight chance for some snowfall. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we have another drop ahead as we head into the following week. You can see next week starting out in the teens, so it looks like Arctic air outside of tomorrow is here to stay for a while.